Hello everyone, welcome you all. Today's topic is electrophilic substitution reaction of phenol. In that, nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, Kolbe reaction, benzene diazonium chloride and reaction with phthalic anhydride. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions are the reaction where an electrophile replaces one or more hydrogen atom attached to the aromatic ring. Phenols are highly prone to electrophilic substitution reaction due to rich electron density. The hydroxyl group attached to the aromatic ring in phenol facilitates the effective delocalization of the charge in aromatic ring. Thus, it stabilizes the rhenium ion through resonance. The hydroxyl group also act as ortho and para directors. Most of these substitution at ortho and para position only. Let's see the first reaction, nitration. Nitration of phenol. When phenols react with dilute nitric acid to give a mixture of ortho and para-nitrophenol. Let's see this reaction. The mixture is further separated into ortho and para-nitrophenol by steam distillation on the basis of their volatility. Para compound para-nitrophenol have higher boiling point than ortho-nitrophenol. In ortho compound make intramolecular hydrogen bonding and in para compound make intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to intramolecular and intermolecular hydrogen bonding, orthonitrophenols are lesser volatile in comparison to para-nitrophenols, which involves only intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Let's see the nitration reaction with concentrated nitric acid. When phenols react with concentrated nitric acid to form picric acid, and it is also known as 2,4,6-trianitrophenol. Means in nitration reaction, when phenols react with dilute nitric acid, it gives ortho and para-nitrophenol, while using phenols with concentrated nitric acid, it gives picric acid. The next reaction is halogenation. The reaction of phenol with bromine is known as bromination of phenol. Solvent has great influence on the reaction. In different solvent, different products are obtained. In this substitution reaction, bromine replaces the hydrogen present in benzene ring of phenol. Let's see this reaction. When phenols react with bromine water to give 2,4,6-tribromophenol. In aqueous solution, phenol ionizes to give phenoxide ion due to the presence of negative charge. The oxygen atom of phenoxide ion donates the electron to the benzene ring to a large extent. As a result, the ring gets highly activated, leading to the formation of tri-substituted product. The next reaction, when phenols react with bromine in the presence of non-polar solvent like carbon disulfide and carbon tetrachloride, gives a mixture of ortho and para-bromophenol. On the other hand, in non-polar solvents, the ionization of phenol does not occur to large extent. As a result, the OH group donates the electron to the benzene ring only to a small extent, so the ring activated slightly and therefore mono substitution occur. Let's see this product, orthobromophenol and para-bromophenol. Orthobromophenol is minor and para-bromophenol is major. Why para-bromophenol is major product? Because it is symmetrical and less steric hindrance, in that two groups are opposite to each other, while in orthobromophenol more steric hindrance, two groups are close to each other. The next reaction is sulfonation. When phenols react with concentrated sulfuric acid to give ortho and paraphenol sulfonic acid. Let's see this reaction. When phenols react with sulfuric acid at 20 degrees Celsius, it gives orthophenol sulfonic acid. When phenols react with concentrated sulfuric acid at 100 degrees Celsius, it gives paraphenol sulfonic acid. The next reaction is Kolbe reaction. This reaction involves the treatment of sodium phenoxide with carbon dioxide by acid hydrolysis to form salicylic acid. When phenol is treated with sodium hydroxide, phenoxide ion is generated. This phenoxide ion is highly reactive towards electrophilic substitution reaction with carbon dioxide to form salicylic acid. Application of Kolbe reaction. When potassium hydroxide is used in Kolbe reaction, 4-hydroxybenzoic acid can be accessed. This is an important precursor for paraben. Para-hydroxybenzoate or ester of para-hydroxybenzoic acid used in the cosmetic product. Kolbe reaction can be used for industrial synthesis of 3-hydroxy-2-naphthoic acid, which is common precursor to azo-dyes and pigment. The salicylic acid can be used to make aspirin by heating it with acetic anhydride. Aspirin is commonly used as painkiller. Let's see the mechanism of Kolbe reaction. First of all, take phenol. Phenols are acidic in nature. Phenoxide ion is formed due to the departure of hydrogen. In phenoxide ion, on oxygen, there is a presence of electron and it shows the resonance with ring, and it donates the electron and the pi electron shift on carbon, that is on ortho position. The negative sign on ortho and para position, OH hydroxyl. On resonance, oxygen make double bond. Then next, the role of carbon dioxide, and it is acidic in nature. The negative electron donate to the carbon. On donation of electron to carbon dioxide, one of the pi bond in carbon dioxide will break and electron shift towards oxygen, and on oxygen there is a negative charge, means there is a formation of one bond and breaking of bond in between carbon and oxygen. For aromaticity of benzene ring, hydrogen donate its electron. When hydrogen donate its electron, then oxygen is negative charge. On acidification, it gives salicylic acid. Then next reaction with benzene diazonium chloride. Phenol couples with benzene diazonium chloride in alkaline solution to form para-hydroxyazobenzene. Then next reaction with phthalic anhydride. It is one of the qualitative tests for phenol. When phenols react with phthalic anhydride in the presence of sulfuric acid to form phenolphthalein. Phthalene dye test. In that, take organic compound in test tube, add small quantity of phthalic anhydride to it, then add drop of concentrated sulfuric acid to the mixture, then heat the solution for 2 to 3 minutes. Then cool the mixture and pour into a beaker containing dilute sodium hydroxide solution. On heating, phenol reacts with phthalic anhydride in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to produce phenolphthalein, which is colorless. Phenolphthalein, which gives pink color with sodium hydroxide solution, and it gives the presence of phenol. Then next reaction with zinc dust. When phenol heated with zinc dust undergo reduction to form benzene. Let's see this reaction. This is one of the important method of preparation of benzene. In this reaction, first of all, phenoxide ion is formed due to the departure of hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ions so form accept the electron from metallic zinc and get converted to hydrogen radical. Later, the bond between carbon and oxygen get broken to form phenyl radical, which is subsequently combines with hydrogen radical to form benzene. Oxygen ion accept the electron from zinc and get converted to oxide ion, which then combines with zinc to form zinc oxide. Then next one is the oxidation reaction. Phenols undergoes oxidation with air or chromic acid to form parabenzoquinone. Then next reaction with ferric chloride. Phenols gives purple or violet coloration with 1 or 2 drops of neutral ferric chloride solution due to the formation of complex. In this test, firstly take organic compound in water, then add neutral ferric chloride solution dropwise, then observe the change in color. Phenol reacts with neutral ferric chloride solution, gives the violet color due to the formation of complex. Then next reaction is formation of salt. You know phenol is acidic in nature and it reacts with sodium hydroxide or sodium metal to form salt. Summary of qualitative test for phenol. In that, various tests: litmus test, ferric chloride test, Lieberman's test, bromine water test, phthalene dye test. In litmus test, phenol turns blue litmus paper red In ferric chloride test, there is a formation of violet color and it shows the presence of phenol. In Lieberman's test, there is a formation of blue color and it shows the presence of phenol. Bromine water test, there is a formation of white precipitate, and in phthalate dye test, it shows the pink color and it shows the presence of phenol. In this section, we covered the point acidity of phenol and effect of substituent on acidity of phenol. Phenol is acidic in nature. This is because the phenoxide ion is formed by the ionization or reaction with base and is stabilized by the resonance. Acidity of phenol is depends on the nature and position of substituents. Electron releasing alkyl group decrease the acidity of phenol, while electron withdrawing substituents such as nitro group increase the acidity of phenols. Phenols are more acidic than alcohols. This is because alcohols gives alkoxide ion. On loss of proton, the alkoxide ions so formed are not resonance stabilized. So, we are in this section, we studied about various type of reaction of phenol, in that halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Kolbe reaction. Thank you so much for watching this video.